Welcome back to Great Day Houston. You'll be wanting to go to the bathroom all the time after your redesigned bath is done by our next guest. He makes it easy for you to put your dream bath together. Here with more is Larry Closs from MaxHome. Hello there, Larry.
Hey, Deb, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And part of the dream is not only how it looks, but the fact that you all can do it in one day.
One day. So one of the things that we specialize in is making it easy. And it's not just the one-day installation, okay? It's that once you call us, you call 1-800-NEW-BATH, we can come out to your home and we can generally be there within 24 hours.
Wow.
And we bring the whole showroom to you, okay? We bring the samples. We bring an iPad that we can bring right out there and you can design the bath of your dreams right on the iPad. You can look at everything in the comfort of your home. And you don't have to go to showrooms. You don't have to do all that work. We try to make it easy as possible.
You also don't have to patch it together. Like you don't have to go one place to buy your tub, another place to get your fixtures, another place to find the contractors, another place to find the person who can do. So everybody's right there under your company.
Everyone's right there under, and that's one of the things that we find. People just want things easy and they want things quickly these days.
Yeah, I want to leave my house in the morning and come back with a bathroom.
Yeah. So here, once we come out, and we can come out quickly tomorrow. Once we come out and we bring everything to you, we help you, we bring a design consultant that does it. We give you a free in-home, no obligation estimate with a price that's good for a year. So whenever you're ready to do it, you can do it. But then on top of it, a couple weeks later, we come back, one day,
bam.
Bam!
Yeah, and when we say custom, we mean everything. So obviously the
everything.
surround, but down to the point where if you say, okay, I need to have something to put my shampoo on right here, you can get any type of shelving that you want on here. You want the grab bars, whatever it is that you want in your section there, you can just go ahead and get that done.
Whatever you want. And once again, we let you design this in comfort of your home. So it's thousands of possibilities, right? Your style, your taste, we have something to match it. Walls, accessories, different styles of valves, different styles of shower heads,
whatever.
Oh yeah, and then on top of it, different ways to control temperature and volume on it. Full-size body shower sprays, you name it. Yeah. And then one of the most important things is we can also change, what's down there.
Yeah, so with the tub right here, a lot of people are thinking, okay, do I have to jackhammer out the old stuff and the whole bit? What makes this easier to do in one day is generally you're working within the space that somebody might already have. You're not reinventing the wheel.
No, we're keeping it the same. And this is an example of where we can put in a whirlpool tub in someone's bathroom. But one of the most popular things we do is we change your bathtub to a shower.
Yeah.
And we tell people, so why are you still continuing to shower in a bathtub? I mean, why don't you get a beautiful,
right, because then you have to step over something.
You have to step over and they're just not using it. Whether it's dirty or whether it's, like we'll talk about in a second, unsafe. People are taking this out and we can put it in a shower and we can customize that shower to however people want it.
Yeah, a little lip on it if you want to, or it can just be something that, so as I say, somebody's in a wheelchair can roll right into it, for example.
You roll right into it. And so one of the things right now is probably the best time to do this. It's our best offer of the year. We're offering free installation and no payments, no interest for 12 months. So you can do it now, get free installation, and not make no payments for 12 months.
Yeah, you should clean up on that deal.
Get it
clean up on that deal. All right, speaking of cleaning up, this is a great way to clean up. Again, here's another example of what looks like could be stone. If this was actually a slab of stone, that would be thousands and thousands of dollars.
It would be thousands and thousands of dollars, and it's not, and guess what? It's almost even better. It's non-porous. It's acrylic, it's non-porous. Same thing that Korean countertops are made out of.
And non-porous means it's not going to grab stains like we talked about earlier.
Right. You'll never have to scrub it. You just wipe it clean. Yeah. Imagine that, never having to scrub your bathroom. So another thing we talk about easy, we come out to your house, we bring the showroom to you, we do it in one day, and then you have years of easy after that with never having to scrub it.
Yeah. The other thing is if you would like to have tile, you all actually have a tile system as well where you have grout in there, but that grout is not something you have to scrub either.
No, it's epoxy grout. It's not something you have to scrub, and we actually give a warranty on the grout, and no one else will give a warranty on the grout. So we can actually do tile too, and most of our tile jobs done in one day.
One day. Wow. Okay. This right here, this actual tub right here. Love it.
So these are incredibly popular, the walk-in tubs. A lot of people just are having mobility issues, or a lot of people are worried about someone with mobility issues. And one of these can change their lives. It can give them independence. It can give them freedom. People are scared to death of falling in the bathroom, right? Yeah. And if they're scared to death
even
of
if you don't have mobility problems, I've almost tripped out of a tub before.
Oh, yeah, they're not easy to get into. And so what this can do is this can give them freedom. It can keep them in their home longer. It can have loved ones feel safer. And then it's it's like bringing a spa into your house.
Yeah,
it really is.
For every budget financing, you have easy, not a signature loan. You apply and the whole bit. And
another thing that we do, so we have our zero risk trust assurance plan, and that comes with that comes with a double lifetime warranty. That's a lifetime warranty on the products and the installation. And then easy payments plan. And look, that's easy. We do it on the iPad. It's not a mortgage. It's just a signature loan, and they can apply in their house. It's that easy.
Yeah, already done. All right, Larry, thank you very much.
welcome.
As Larry mentioned, get free installation along with no payments is the best offer of the year and no interest for 12 months. It's their best offer of the year. Be sure to mention Great Day Houston when you call. Call them now at 1-800-NEW-BATH. 1-800-NEW-BATH. That works out to be 1-800-639-2284. 1-800-639-2284. And for more information, log on to MaxHome.com.